Welcome to Raj Alluri YouTube channel. Let me talk about how we can create the sample app in Android Studio. Okay, so first we need to go to File, then click on New. After that, click on New Project. So here, the Android Studio provides some sample templates to create some types of projects using this Android Studio. So for the very first time, it is better to use the empty activity because it does not provide any templates to use in the project. So have choose empty activity. Then click on next. So here we need to give the project name. For example, I'm giving the demo app. Then the package name. Package name in the sense generally it is the company's domain name. So I have given package name like this for me. Then save location. So you can choose the location where do you want to save this project. So you can give this default one also. Then choosing the language. So we can develop the Android apps by using either Java or Kotlin. So nowadays most of the developers using the Kotlin language because we have so many advantages with the Kotlin language. So I will do a separate video on what is the difference between Java and Kotlin and what are the main features by using Kotlin. Then choosing the minimum SDK for the device. So in this list, we can choose what is the minimum device you want to give support for your Android app. So before 5.0, most of the devices are very old one. Nowadays, no one is using this Android version. So better to use from Android 5.0. So it is showing like 9.94.1. So we have covered almost of the all devices to give our support for our project. So then click on finish. So our project is creating in Android Studio. It may take couple of seconds to create the project in the Android Studio. Just keep an eye on this Gradle.build here. So once it is completed this processing, it will show the project here. Okay, so now the project is available. So generally the project structure is like this. One is the app folder and one is the Gradle script. The Gradle script in the sense this is the build process we use for the Android projects. And in the app package, we have some folders like manifest, Java and resources. So manifest file, we declare all the classes here. So whatever the classes we are using in our project, we declare in this manifest file. And this Java folder is like the classes which we are using in our project. For example, main activity. So this is the class we are using right now in this project. Okay. Then the third one is the resources file. In this resources file, generally we provide the images or layout files to give the UI for the project and the string values, some colors. So most of the kind of resources we use for the project. So this is the project structure. So let me run it in the emulator. So generally while running the project in the emulator, it takes some time. Okay. So now the emulator is open. So now it is trying to build our project and after that it will install the app in the device. Okay. So now it is installed in the device. Now, so this is the demo app we have created in Android Studio and run it in the emulator. So we can also run the project in the physical device also. So either way you can use our project to test in devices. So I provide a separate video like how we can create an emulator and how we can use our physical device to test our Android app. Thank you all.